Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a DIY rainbow light. First, gather your materials, including an RGB LED strip, a power supply, and a diffuser. We will cover selecting the right components and preparing your workspace for safety. This guide ensures you can build a beautiful, personalized lighting feature. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to add a splash of color to your room, creating a truly unique ambience with your own hands. To begin, you'll need a 5-meter RGB LED strip, preferably one with an adhesive backing for easy application. A compatible 12-volt power supply is essential to power your light safely. For diffusing the light, consider a clear acrylic tube or an aluminum channel with a frosted cover. You will also need basic tools like wire cutters, a soldering iron, and heat shrink tubing to ensure secure electrical connections. Having these items ready makes the assembly process smooth and efficient. Start by carefully cutting your LED strip to the desired length, usually between 1 and 2 meters, at the designated cut points. Next, solder the power wires to the positive and negative pads on the LED strip, ensuring a strong connection. Apply heat shrink tubing over the soldered joints for insulation and protection. Then, gently peel the adhesive backing and secure the LED strip inside your chosen diffuser. Finally, connect the power supply to the wires, and your rainbow light is ready to glow. You can customize your rainbow light by experimenting with various diffuser materials, like frosted glass or patterned plastic, to create unique light patterns. Consider adding a smart LED controller for convenient app-based control over colors, brightness, and effects. This allows for dynamic lighting scenes to match any mood or occasion. Remember to always double-check your electrical connections for safety before powering on. For more great tips and to find the link for darn tough socks and other fantastic deals, check out the description below. Enjoy your new, vibrant rainbow light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.